Welcome back to News Nexus. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that shaped modern Europe and remains a cornerstone of Germany's economic success: the secret history of the Deutsche Mark and how it played a pivotal role in rebuilding Germany after the devastation of World War II. In 1945, Germany was a country in ruins. The war had left its economy shattered, cities destroyed, and the German people were facing a deep financial crisis. So, how did a country so battered and broken manage to rise again? The answer, in part, lies in one of the most important currencies in modern history, the Deutsche Mark. At the end of World War II, Germany was divided into 4 zones controlled by the Allies: the United States, the Soviet Union, Great Britain, and France. Each zone had its own currency, but inflation was rampant, and the economy was collapsing under the weight of reparations and economic mismanagement. In fact, by 1948, Germany's currency, the Reichsmark, was worth almost nothing. The average German could no longer afford basic goods. The black market was booming, and the cost of living was skyrocketing. The country was in desperate need of a currency overhaul that would restore economic stability. But change wouldn't come easily. The decision to introduce a new currency was a political one, fraught with complex geopolitical considerations. In June 1948, amidst this economic chaos, the United States and the British decided to take bold action. They introduced a new currency in their zones of Germany, the Deutsche Mark. The currency was not only a symbol of economic renewal, but also a strategic move to bolster the Western economy and counter Soviet influence in the East. The Deutsche Mark was designed to replace the Reichsmark at a rate of 1 Deutsche Mark to 10 Reichsmarks. The reform was so sudden and comprehensive that it stunned the German people and the world alike. For many, the arrival of the Deutsche Mark meant more than just money. It meant hope. However, this change was not without its challenges. Many Germans were skeptical. Some even thought it was too good to be true. The introduction of the Deutsche Mark was a risky gamble, but what happened next was nothing short of remarkable. Following the currency reform, the West German economy experienced what is now known as the Wirtschaftswunder, or economic miracle. The Deutsche Mark became the foundation of a thriving economy. Inflation was brought under control, and the purchasing power of ordinary Germans soared. Within just a few years, Germany had transformed from a war-torn, bankrupt nation into one of the world's leading industrial powers. This economic boom was fueled by several factors, including the introduction of the Deutsche Mark, Marshall Plan aid from the United States, and Germany's focus on rebuilding its industrial base. But it wasn't just about the money. The Deutsche Mark had a psychological effect. It helped to restore confidence in the German economy, and this confidence spurred investment, trade, and industrial growth. The Deutsche Mark was more than just a currency. It became a symbol of stability and progress. It played a crucial role in cementing West Germany's position in the Western Bloc during the Cold War, where it represented a stark contrast to the economic chaos of East Germany, which was still using the Ostmark under Soviet control. In East Germany, the Soviets were still grappling with the challenges of a centrally planned economy, while West Germany flourished. The Deutsche Mark became a tool of both economic strength and political identity, symbolizing freedom and prosperity in contrast to the oppression and stagnation in the East. As Germany's economy continued to grow, the Deutsche Mark became a cornerstone of Europe's financial stability. But with the fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989 and the reunification of Germany, the landscape began to change. The European Union was moving toward a single currency, and in 2002, the Deutsche Mark made its final transition into the euro. The adoption of the euro marked the end of an era for the Deutsche Mark, a currency that had guided Germany through its most turbulent times and helped build the foundation of Europe's economic power. Despite its retirement, the legacy of the Deutsche Mark is still felt today. The Deutsche Mark was more than just a unit of currency. It was a lifeline that helped Germany rise from the ashes of war and become an economic powerhouse. It symbolized hope, stability, and success. Its legacy lives on in the euro, but its impact on Germany and Europe will never be forgotten. From the ruins of war to the heights of economic success, the story of the Deutsche Mark is one of resilience, innovation, and triumph. It reminds us that even in the darkest times, a single change can spark a revolution. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more historical insights from News Nexus. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.